How to enable safe browsing on Facebook Messenger application. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about enabling safe browsing on your Facebook Messenger application and protect yourself from the scam links. So in order to do that, you need to first go ahead and open your Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the gear icon to access the settings in the top. Now from this page, you need to scroll down and go to the preferences section and tap on privacy and safety. Slightly scroll down and you'll see the section of security, and under which you will see the option of safe browsing. Go ahead and tap on that, which is below the end-to-end encrypted chats. Now in this page, make sure that you've selected Advanced Browsing Protection or Standard Browsing Protection, which will protect you against a list of websites that may be unsafe, and expands the standard browsing protection to include more unsafe websites and regularly checks for the new risks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.